Let's check out the brand new Tunenge T21x mini Swivel flashlight. So Tunenge actually sent me over this flashlight to check it out. As you see, we get massive 1400 lumens on this thing. Also, we can run it from AA batteries as well. And if you check the specs and also output runtime, as you see, it's absolutely amazing for only literally 60 grams. So let's check it out. So I have already used it for some time, and generally I think it's absolutely awesome flashlight, and it's pretty much impossible to beat. So also what's absolutely great, we can actually mount this flashlight on a head as well. So we get basically this head mount here, so basically this holder for it, also a clip, a Type-C charger, and the flashlight itself. When it comes to the size, as you see, it's actually incredibly compact and very small indeed. And to get 1400 lumens from this size, that's absolutely insane. And also the light quality also is absolutely superb on this flashlight. And if you check the build quality, as you see, it's rock solid. Obviously we also get magnet here as well. And we have our Type-C charger port, so you can actually charge directly as well. And a very nice button here. And best of all, we can actually swivel this head around and transform it basically, so you can easily like put it maybe on a table somewhere, so if you need to illuminate large area, so absolutely awesome. Or again, we can simply mount it on our head as well. And you can pause here to see all the specs and everything about it if you want to, and also all the modes. And generally when it comes to the UI, this is absolutely one of the best flashlights out there. So it's also very simple to use. And yet we can actually insert AA batteries as well. Okay, so if you basically want to charge, so we actually have a rechargeable battery inside, but if you basically maybe simply want to use AA batteries, so we can also do it. So you see, we literally have this rechargeable battery inside, so you see, and the model number is, and we get 1000 mAh. And let's check out all the modes we get on this flashlight. I will show you the brightness a bit later. So first, if you simply want to turn on quickly, we simply have to press it once. You see, it actually turns on. Also, what's absolutely awesome, if you change the brightness, it will also remember the last choice that you actually had on it. So you see, if you also want to turn it off, so you would simply press it once again. So so also if I turn it on and I want to change the brightness, I would simply hold on it and see the next basically brightness gets enabled. If I hold again, next, and returns to the low, medium, and high. So you see, if I literally turn it off and turn it back on, it actually remembers that I actually had the high turbo mode. And if I want to turn on the moonlight mode, I would simply press and hold this button, so for maybe like 2 seconds, and then actually the moonlight mode actually gets turned on, and also we can easily turn it off. So also this flashlight has got strobe mode as well, so we simply need to press this button for 3 times or more. So see, we have strobe mode as well. And also if we triple click again, we can also switch to the SOS mode as well. So turn it off again. So it's absolutely awesome. We actually get strobe, but actually it's not in the main menu. So essentially on most probably 90% of flashlights, the strobe is actually bunched together in the main menu, and I absolutely hate that we actually have to use the strobe. So again, it still has strobe, but actually so the UI is really 10 out of 10 basically for this flashlight. So you see, and again, we do not have any stupid strobe in the main menu. Absolutely awesome. Also, we're getting incredibly strong magnet on it as well, so we can essentially stick it anywhere, and it won't actually go anywhere. Also, let's check out the head mount. So you see, I can easily, so let's swivel this like this, enter it, so clipped inside. So let's take our strap here. Insert it inside, And you see we can also remount it on the head as well. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Okay, and let's check out the brightness outdoors. So first this is moonlight. So this is low. As you see, actually low is still actually very bright. So medium now. High. As you see, at high it's blazing. And also turbo. So when you actually turn on the turbo, it's absolutely crazy how bright this thing is. So again, let's turn it off. So again, the moonlight, low, medium, high, and also turbo. So the brightness is absolutely crazy from this thing. By the way, I forgot to tell you, basically if you also double press on your flashlight, so 2 times you can actually quickly turn on the turbo. So currently I have the low mode, but as you see, I can actually turn on the turbo, and then it illuminates pretty much everything here, like absolutely crazy. So again, the low mode, medium, high mode. As you see, at high it's insanely bright, but if I turn on the turbo, so it's absolutely insane how bright this thing is. So again, this is high, but yeah, at high already it pretty much is almost like daylight. But if you enable the turbo, this is absolutely insane. So yeah, the turbo on this thing is absolutely insane indeed. And let's check out the brightness indoors. So currently I have the low mode. As you see, incredibly bright actually on low mode. Medium. High. And turbo mode. So it's absolutely insane how bright this thing is. And also the overall light quality on it is also absolutely superb. And overall, is this flashlight actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, I can actually highly suggest this flashlight. So if you're looking for extremely well-built flashlight that not only is very durable, but also has got very nice light output quality and also a very nice runtime, this is pretty much impossible to beat. Also, obviously, you can charge it basically directly or also use literally like AA cells as well, which is incredibly convenient, especially if you are traveling somewhere. And if you're looking to get one, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use to get for insanely good price. So you can pick up these on Amazon and also AliExpress. Currently on AliExpress you see absolutely insane price. Also I'll probably manage to get some extra coupons on AliExpress that you can use to bring the price down even further. Basically for this price, this is pretty much impossible to beat when you consider the quality, light output, and just how insanely nice built it is, and also like thought out as well. Anyway, good luck.